want to welcome you all here. It's a really exciting day for us. We're really excited to have you all here, and thank you for the press for coming to cover this story. I would like, and it is truly a great privilege for me to introduce to you and welcome the Administrator of the Federal Agency and Emergency Management Agency, Deneen Criswell, to Pinellas County. Administrator Criswell has had a fascinating career. She brings a wealth of experience and leadership to her work at FEMA. She has served as a member of the Colorado Air National Guard and was deployed to Kuwait after 9/11. She served as a firefighter and went on to lead the Office of Emergency Management in Aurora, Colorado. She later worked for FEMA and most recently served as the commissioner of the New York City Emergency Management Department. On April 22, 2021, her nomination to be the next FEMA administrator was unanimously confirmed by the U.S. Senate. She is the first woman to hold this position. Please join me in extending a very warm welcome to the FEMA Administrator, Deneen Criswell. So good to have you.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I am really excited to be here because this is just a really special day, and I want to thank the Pinellas County Board of Commissioners for being here today, inviting me to partake in this really great celebration. You know, one of the things that I really love about this community is that you really understand the importance of resilience, that you understand that the community itself is no stranger to hurricanes, to storm surge, and to flooding. You take precautionary measures seriously because you know that being prepared can save lives, which is exactly why I am here today, to congratulate you on a tremendous job and a tremendous achievement. Because of your forward-leaning, historic investments in resilience, Pinellas now has the distinction of being a Class 2 CRS community, elevated from a Class 3 in FEMA's community rating system. The community rating system, again also known as CRS, was established in 1990 to help encourage communities to improve their floodplain management activities. The goal here is not just to meet the minimum floodplain management requirements, but it's to exceed the standards that have been set by the National Flood Insurance Program. And that's exactly what Pinellas County has done. And I know that the work to improve flood resilience may not always be the most attention-grabbing. Improvement to drainage systems and the management of parks and flood-prone areas aren't likely to always make the headlines. But I'm happy to see the press here today to make this a headline. Because let me be clear, these updates are critical in ensuring that our communities can manage stormwater and coastal flooding. And as a peninsula itself, flooding is a risk that Pinellas County has to always keep top of mind, which is why I am so happy to be able to join you in announcing this upgrade. As a Class 2 community, Pinellas County is now in the top 1% of all of our CRS participants and has achieved the highest rating in all of Florida. This work, all of your work, it showcases how a commitment to resilience can have real-world impacts. You have made steady progress, not only obtaining higher ratings throughout the years, of doing hard work, but also maintaining your improvements so you can consistently move up. Ultimately, you are reducing flood risk and lowering flood insurance premiums for community members. In fact, as of April 1st, flood insurance policyholders are eligible for up to a 40% discount on their premiums, a 40% savings. It's amazing. Let me just put that in numbers. That totals about $10 million in savings for policyholders countywide. And these discounts, they are not only for structures in the flood zones themselves, but for any structures in unincorporated Pinellas County. And this, again, this is a huge deal. And it is a shining example of what's achievable for other communities that are looking to invest in floodplain management and resilience across the county, across Florida, or across the United States. This is what it looks like when a community invests in resilience, and those investments pay off. Not only are the lives of your residents improved upon, but you are saving them money and creating a more resilient community for them to call home. And these savings serve as a down payment on a better future for all of us, especially as we continue to face more severe storms and hurricanes that are creating more catastrophic flooding events. I think, as all of you know, hurricane season is just around the corner, and it's shaping up, if you've read some of the early predictions, to be a potentially busy one, which means that now is also the best time to do a flood insurance checkup and make sure that you are covered, especially because there is a 30-day waiting period from the time you purchase your coverage before it goes into effect. And that goes for local leaders, that goes for businesses, that goes for individuals, all of them. And if you do not have a flood insurance policy yet, I encourage you to talk to your insurance agents today and get one started. It's just one small but extremely important way that we can all help in creating a more resilient community and a more resilient nation, the resilience that the nation needs and deserves. And we need more counties to be like Pinellas County. You are a shining example for others. We need more counties and cities to work to improve flood mitigation for their residents and make their neighborhoods more insurable and more prepared for future risk. And we're here to help. We want to be partners with communities looking to make these improvements or to get back on track. Because this is FEMA's year of resilience, our time to uplift the important work we can all do to become more risk-ready before an emergency, so communities across America can respond faster and recover more effectively from potential future disasters. So thank you again to the Pinellas County Board of County Commissioners for having us here today and for leading by example here in Pinellas County. Through your investments in flood prevention and hazard mitigation, you are creating a safer, more resilient community for your residents each and every day. So congratulations on this milestone. I can't wait to see what you do next. And now let's make it official. Let's do the plaque presentation. In our community rating system.
Thank you. I'm going to sneak in here as well.
Yeah?
This is good. This is fine.
Good? How about we come, is the podium in the way?
Thanks for helping me hold it.
Yeah? We're going to do one group photo?
We're going to do a group photo. Podium.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Administrator Criswell, for taking time out of your very busy schedule to visit and recognize this achievement. I want to thank you and all of the staff from FEMA for your partnership. This truly is a shared accomplishment. It's only possible because of the great working relationship that we have with FEMA, with the Florida Division of Emergency Management, with our municipalities, and other partners such as the realtors and staff from across the county. I'm very proud that we are the only local government in Florida that has achieved this rating of Class 2 with the community rating system. For those who are less familiar with the program, I'd like to share a little bit about how we got here. Back in 2013, we were a Class 7. At that time, the county made the decision to improve, so we dedicated resources to enhance our floodplain management program and improve our CRS rating. It takes a lot of work and a lot of collaboration to improve your CRS rating. But we took on the challenge, and by 2016, our rating improved to a 5. By 2021, we achieved a class rating of 3. It is extremely difficult to move even higher to a Class 2. There were 2 key actions that got us there. First, we did our own vulnerability assessment and adopted our own coastal maps. Second, we developed a detailed substantial damage management plan, and these 2 actions earned us enough points to move us to a Class 2. I want to thank the many staff and partners who made this happen. I especially want to thank Lisa Foster, floodplain administrator, who led this effort. And it was quite the task. Congratulations, Lisa. I also want to thank Kelly Levy for her support, the Public Works Director. We also have to thank our floodplain technician, Maxine Moore, who tirelessly compiled file upon file of data and documentation. As a result of your efforts, we are truly grateful, and our residents starting this month will see a discount of up to 40% on their flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. That's something that we are all very, very proud of. Thank you all for coming, and I'm sure many of you have questions for us and for the administrator, for Administrator Criswell. We will begin our media availability in just a few minutes here in this room. Thank you again for coming out and supporting this effort, and we are truly, truly excited and blessed to have your support, the support of FEMA, and our wonderful staff that have worked tirelessly to make this happen. Thank you so much.